Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your GMC Sierra's oil life. First, get into your truck and turn the ignition to the on position. This means all your dashboard lights should illuminate, but the engine should not be running. You can achieve this by pressing the start button without your foot on the brake or by turning the key to the second detent. This prepares your vehicle for the next steps. Next, locate the controls on your steering wheel, typically on the left side. Use these buttons to navigate through the menus on your driver information center, which is the screen directly in front of you. Scroll until you find the oil life display. This screen will show you the current percentage of your engine's oil life, usually a number like 15% or 20%. Once you see the oil life display, press and hold the Set/CLR button or the checkmark button on your steering wheel. Keep holding it down for about 5 to 10 seconds. You'll notice the oil life percentage begin to flash, and then it should change to 100%. This indicates that the system has successfully registered the reset. You can then release the button. To finalize the process, turn your ignition completely off, then start your GMC Sierra's engine as you normally would. Check your driver information center again to confirm that the oil life now consistently displays 100%. This means your oil life monitor is reset and ready for your next service interval. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.